Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to look at some multi-tools available on the market. You probably carry a multi-tool if you frequently run into the unexpected or like to be ready for anything. These tools have advanced significantly since the Swiss Army knife of your childhood fantasies. Today, there are dozens available from a slew of multi-tool manufacturers. Multi-tools can surely help you out of a jam and are made to fill in when carrying a full toolbox isn't practical. Even among the top multi-tools, some of the individual tools might not perform as well as you'd want because not all multi-tools are created equal. Compromises must be made when manufacturers try to cram more functionality into a small space. Prioritize the tools that are most important to you when purchasing and choose a model where those tools are well designed and perform as intended. Some multi-tools attempt to be one-size-fits-all items, while others specialize in tools that may fit your specific lifestyle. But whoever you are, there's a tool that will make your life a little bit easier and provide a simple solution to many of life's annoying random problems. So, let's take a closer look at why you might need one, or a few, multi-tools, and what options you have. Please, leave a comment below and tell us about your favorite multi-tool.
Life isn't a popularity contest. It's not an act, and it's certainly not fair. It's not a fad, it's not a fashion statement, and it's not about pretending to have all the answers or claiming to be real. Life is blood and guts and sweat. It's hard work, true heart, pure grit. And it's time someone set the record straight. Introducing Center Drive from Gerber. With a first-of-its-kind full-size driver on the center axis that uses standard bits. A full-size outboard knife that's 30% longer than the competition with reverse thumb support. Plus, spring-loaded pliers. And they're all accessible with a flick of your thumb. The multi-tool just got a reality check.